This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Dahl. Desired Fox Run, a 55-plus community, offers this 3 halves updated home. Split floor plan with living/dining opening to equipped kitchen. The updated kitchen has breakfast nook, quartz counters and farm sink. Master bath has dual vanities, both bathrooms have vessel sinks. Closet system in the master and large closets in guest rooms. No carpeting, flooring is laminate and luxury vinyl. 4-season porch and back bedrooms have a garden and pasture view. Storage shed with barn doors and large fenced backyard. Also, 2-car carport. Fox Run offers many amenities. Note: Homestead has been filed, taxes will be less. For more information, review the details below.